US blocking China to gain an advantage in the chip war. The race for technological dominance between the United States and China has intensified in recent years, with microchips becoming a key battleground. The US has been taking steps to block China's access to advanced chips, and now it is pressing the Netherlands to join its efforts. In this video, we will explore the actions taken by the US to gain an advantage in the chip war and the potential implications for both countries. The importance of microchips in the tech war. Microchips are the building blocks of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to cars and medical devices. As the world becomes increasingly reliant on these advanced chips, controlling their production and supply chain has become a strategic priority for nations seeking to maintain technological superiority. U.S. Export Policy Chief's mission to the Netherlands. In a bid to hinder China's technological advancement, the U.S. Export Policy Chief, Alan Estevez, is scheduled to meet with Dutch government officials and representatives from ASML, a Dutch chip-making equipment maker. The goal of these meetings is to convince the Netherlands to refrain from supplying microchips to China. The US-China tech war escalates. The US-China tech war has been escalating over the years, with the US imposing sanctions and export restrictions on Chinese companies. Despite these measures, China has managed to make significant strides in the tech world, as demonstrated by the introduction of the Huawei microchip-powered Pro Mate 60. The Netherlands dilemma. The Dutch government finds itself caught in the middle of the escalating tech war between the US and China. ASML, a key player in the global market for lithography systems, faces the possibility of export restrictions on its equipment. The Dutch government must carefully evaluate licensing requests and consider the potential impact on bilateral ties with both the US and China. China's response and potential consequences. China has warned against actions that could sever industrial supply chains and create intercontinental technological barriers. Chinese President Xi Jinping emphasized the importance of cooperation and expressed China's readiness to maintain a cooperative relationship with the Netherlands. However, if the Netherlands is perceived as an unreliable business partner, Chinese chip manufacturers may turn to competitors like Nikon and Canon. The long-term implications. The outcome of the US-Netherlands discussions could have significant long-term implications for the global chip industry. If the US successfully convinces the Netherlands to restrict chip exports to China, it may disrupt China's technological advancement and force Chinese chip manufacturers to seek alternatives. This could reshape the global chip market and create new opportunities for other players in the industry. The need for balance and cooperation. While the US seeks to gain an advantage in the chip war, it is crucial for all nations involved to strike a balance between national interests and global cooperation. The development of advanced technology should not come at the expense of strained diplomatic relations and fragmented supply chains. Finding common ground and fostering open dialogue is essential for the sustainable growth of the global tech industry. As the US continues to block China's access to advanced chips, the tech war between the two countries intensifies. The US is now pressing the Netherlands to join its efforts, with potential consequences for both nations and the global chip industry. Balancing national interests with global cooperation is crucial to ensure the continued growth and innovation of the tech sector. As the chip war unfolds, it remains to be seen how the landscape of the global tech industry will evolve and who will emerge as the dominant players. And that's all for today. If you liked the video, Please like and subscribe our channel.